Yo, what's up guys, it's Mike here. Gonna make another video today on a 2015 Ram 1500. The passenger side headlight is out. Got a warning on the dash telling you that your low beam is out. So this is the headlight you need, the Slovenia Silver Star, but the one you need is a 9012. They're available at all kinds of places. If you don't want to go get it, I will put a link in the description below. You can grab one off Amazon. I think this was like 25 bucks, something like that. So link it in the description for this headlight if you don't want to go get it. If you want to go get it yourself, you need it today, you can get them at Walmart, AutoZone, any of your auto parts places. So we'll get into it. All right, first thing you gotta do, since it's on the passenger side headlight, you go to the passenger side fender well, and in the fender well you have this little tab. Pry it open, pull it out, and it gives you access. Inside there is a little tab that you have to pull. I'll show you that in just a second. All right, so once you get that little tab or clip out, you lift this little flat cover, and then you look up in here, and there is a white tab somewhere in there. If I can find it. That white tab in there, up at the top. You just press that up, and that unlocks the back of the housing. So pretty much just reach in there, put your arm in there, you'll feel it. It has a little like ledge on it, and you just push that up. When you do that, that releases the headlight. Once you remove the rest of the stuff, it just comes out. And once it's back in, you put it back in, pull it back down, it locks it back in place. All right, so once you get the tab pulled, the next thing you want to do is you're going to remove this black like plastic cover. It's just held in with them trim push pins, more or less. You just pull on them and they come off. There's quite a few of them across. So there's one here, here, there, and there. And then you remove this black cover. So get this off and I'll come back. All right, once you get the black plastic cover removed, after this, there are 4 10mm bolts that you remove so that the grill can come off. All right, once you have the 4 bolts removed, then it's time to remove the grill. Whenever you do this, you want to pull straight out. You don't want to pull at an angle, because if you do, you're going to break the other side. So when you pull, you just pull straight out. You move the other side, you just pull straight out. And these are just like little balls, and they like fit into a little round socket. So you're literally just going to pull and they pop right out. So whenever you do it, I said you just, and it comes pretty much right out. All right, so now you got the black plastic piece removed. You got the grill removed. Now, the next thing on the list is you're gonna remove this screw, and I believe it's this screw here. Those are gonna be the ones you remove. And once you do that, the headlight comes out. The whole housing comes out. And there's a little wire harness on the back side. You're just gonna unclip that wire harness, the whole headlight comes out. All right, when you remove the headlight assembly, the only thing you have is this one clip, and it attaches right here. So this is the back side of your headlight assembly. You're gonna need an 8mm socket for the 5 bolts you gotta remove to get access to the headlight. All right, so we've removed the 5 bolts. Now all there is to do remove the cover. This is your headlight here. You just unclip the wire, the wire there, set it off to the side, give it a turn, headlight out. All you have to do now, put the new one back in. Now the only thing you have left to do is to replace everything in reverse. Just put the headlight back in, put the grill back on, put the black plastic back on, hit your headlight, make sure it works, and you're good to go. If this helps you out, don't forget to subscribe, like the channel, share it with your friends who's in need, and until next time. All right, got everything back together. Headlight works. Everything's good. Everything's put back together. Everything works. So don't forget to go back in your fender well, lock that down, put that clip back in, and yeah, then you have everything complete. Like I said, if this helped you out, don't forget to subscribe, like the channel, or like the video. Comment if you have any questions, I can help you out. And don't forget, there is a link in the description below. If you want to pick these up on Amazon, they can just mail them to your house instead of you having to go to the store and get them. But if not, they're available at Walmart, AutoZone, any of your parts stores, O'Reilly's, whatever. So appreciate you guys checking out this video, and until next time, see ya.